Hello, welcome to Soundop tutorials. In this video, we will focus on operations to work with clip lanes. An audio track can have multiple clip lanes with alternative sequences of clips. To add clip lanes, you can add an empty clip lane or duplicate a clip lane. To remove clip lanes, you can remove the active clip lane in the track, or remove a clip lane with the Remove button. To rename a clip lane, click the name and edit. To reorder clip lanes, drag the clip lane to change the sequence. You can hide the clip lanes of a track and hide all clip lanes. To set the active clip lane, select a clip lane in the track or click the Activate Clip Lane button. And you can also solo a clip lane to play it without changing the active clip lane. To compose a track with the best parts from clip lanes, you can select them and copy them to the track. When you move clips in the track, the clips in the clip lane will move with the same offset to keep the relative positions. And you can disable this behavior in the shortcut menu. Some shortcuts for clip lanes: maximize the selected clip lane, minimize the selected clip lane, select the next lane, select the previous lane, toggle clip lanes, toggle all clip lanes, activate the selected clip lane, solo the selected clip lane. Copy to track. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.